All right, so another cool thing we can do with the images is that for our chat part, okay, when we're chatting, and we can also actually send the images, right? So right now it's everything based on text. So the only difference is when you're sending images, we can just send the URL and then we're just going to render the URL here in the chat view, right? So let's actually try that feature. So I'm going to go back to the chat page here. So first of all, I need to bring another button for the image. So right now we got a one button, icon button here that does the standard just a text. So I'm gonna do another icon button. All right, so let's try that. And then this one will be the icon. I'm gonna use the photo, something like this. Pressed. All right, so that's another one. I'm going to refresh the page. So now you got a 2, right? So if you click on the other button, now all we need to do is just do the same thing as we do the per file. All right, so trigger this result. That's it. And then we're going to get this URL from our result. Okay, now this time when you are, and then we got to make sure that we import this take picture. Take a picture dart. I gotta make sure we import that one, and then we also need to provide a camera. So this is another thing we need to do. Like go to this one here. All right, so get the actual available camera, and then make sure this is asynchronous call, and then this one I guess we need a camera. Let's actually see which library we're using for the other part. So we need a camera here. Okay, so now once we got this one, so this one will work the same way, that call this picture, take a picture, and then get the eventually the URL returned. Once we got a URL, okay, so when we're sending this message, so this is the message we sent before, where we have a text timestamp UID. And then this is where we're posting it, right? So we will need to use the same kind of code to do the posting part, but when we're sending the images, all right, so we actually need to kind of see how we're putting the image there, right? So in order to do that, we probably will need to maybe put the image URL into the text. We can do that, and we can also do like specify a kind of a type. What type of image message you're sending. I can put an image, right? And then from there, so if it's image, then this one here will be the URL here. So that's how we can differentiate, right? So very simple. Now this one here, I'll also need to add a type. So type will basically be maybe text. All right. Now once you have the difference on text or image, right? So we can try. When we are rendering things here, when we're rendering the text or images, we can then do different things, right? So for example, let's find out the image. This is actually the thing we're using. Right now we're just showing the text, right? But and if it's a type of image, then we actually need to do it different, right? So let's do this. We have to check. So if this specific message type, if that doesn't equal to null, I'm just worried that it has now been saved there. And this one is image type. All right, so if that's the case, then we have to actually do an image. All right, so we'll do image.network. Otherwise, we'll actually do the text. All right. And then the image URL will come from the text as well. So this is how we can do it. All right, so I think that's it. So let's actually test it out. All right, so I'm going to restart the app. All right, so just log in one more time, and I'm going to log in with user 8, Google, Gmail, and the password 123456. All right, so log in, and I'm going to go to the group chat first. So as you can see, everything still works. It's not finding the type, that's fine, but I'm gonna do let's actually do one more text. I will do a new text, and then this time let's go back to the Firebase database. All right, so it should have all the new type information right here. Let's check it. So I go to the message under the group, the last message, it has a type. All right, so if I'm trying to do the photo, all right, so that's allowing me to take a picture. Once I confirm the picture, all right, so that also actually send out a new message, and this time the message will be rendered as a image, right? So let me actually go down here. As you can see, this is the image. And then the nice part here is that this one here, the type has been changed to the image, and then this is the URL. So that's how you can do it. Really easy, as long as you understand the format of the data, the type of the data, and how you're going to render that. Okay, so this is how we can use Flutter to support this type of application.